nobody fucking with me, man. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Cause I got 'em. Ain't nobody fucking with me.
Welcome back, Best Uni Crew. It's your girl. So today I'm coming back on for the third time. I'm making this video trying to do grinders, and I'm having a hard time with the design. Made this one last night around about 2 o'clock this morning. I was gonna post a video, but I had so much trouble to the point where I almost cut my finger off and everything trying to make the grinders. This time I did something totally different. Last night I printed out the little side piece and the little circle top, and I used the X-Acto knife and was trying to just cut the line. You okay? You okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What you drinking?
What?
And tried to cut the line with the X-Acto knife. Bad idea. Don't try that unless you know you got a steady hand and you know how to work with it. So I just got through doing a video and I had to delete it because it didn't work out. The measurements was off. So I'm gonna try it one more time. So today I'm going to do the grinders, and I'm using shipping labels. I also used this transfer tape. I put the transfer tape on it already in my Cricut machine, cut it and everything. So the measurements for the image that I used, all I did was Google Airheads and I find the logo. The size that I sized everything was, this one is 8 width and 7.4 height and 0.74 height. That's what it is. 8 width, 0.74 height, and I sliced this one in half because I didn't want to have to use this X-Acto knife again. But I left this one whole just in case I have to. And this time I will try to be more careful. The circles are, let me make sure, I think they're 2.2. No, the circles are 1.76 width, 1.76 height for the circles. Got the grinders off of DH Gates, and I ordered them in April, and I just got them when I got back home Sunday. So I would not recommend you ordering from there if you need them like tomorrow. But if you got 3 or 4 months to spare, then go ahead. So I'm gonna get started, and we're just gonna pray. So the grinders come apart in pieces, and only part I really need some is this part here with the spikes, and then the center part. So I'm going to try and pray it fits. So what I'm going to do is try to line it up perfect. I think it's supposed to go this way. Because when I put the grinder down, I needed to match the wording. So far I feel like I need to cut like a little inch off. So I feel like I just have to cut a tad off. doesn't suck like they do with certain stuff. Certain stuff it cuts real good, certain stuff it don't. Okay. Okay. So, I'm just going, here's if I can know where I'm supposed to put the top back on it. And all I'm doing is just going around, hopefully, you know, it's even. By it being transfer tape on it, it's not gonna stick on top of each other either. So, okay, looks kind of decent. Okay, so next I'm just going to use the little one that I cut. And all I did was I sized it to the 1/8 width and the 0.74 height. And then I took a shape, a square shape, and then I just dragged it across and then I sliced it in half. Just in case some of y'all want to ask, you know, how. So right now all I'm doing is trying to get it laid down even. I don't know what's up with these scissors. They suck. Okay, so I got it together and it looks good. I'm happy with it. Cause girl was worried. So all I do now is put the bottom in. And this is how it's looking. It's an airhead. I'll probably master it later, but I just want to make sure I'm getting the right measurements because your girl was exhausted last night. So all I do now is take the top part and I'm going to just place it on the center part. Like that. And if I wanted to resin the top, I could because I put this transfer tape, laminating paper, whatever you want to call it, on top. So it's already sealed. All I have to do is put the epoxy on it. But I don't feel like I need to because of the transfer tape. So I'm quick and easy, less mess, less work. You know, your girl don't like to work hard. I like to work smart, so. So now we got an airhead. Then we got an airhead grinder. Now, it looks a little bootleg. I understand that because I need to learn certain measurements and stuff like that. And then I did bring that one farther over than the other one. So I would suggest, you know, lining everything up perfect, which nothing will ever be perfect, but you know what I mean. Because I'm trying to find the camera, my bad. If you can see, I try to get as close as possible to the edge. And then I tried to line it up right. It's a magnet. Oh my God, I did not know that. It's a magnet. Did y'all know that? Okay. So you can see the line, which is like, it is what it is. This is my idea for what I'm going to be doing with my grinders. But I will master it. I still got to work some kinks out. But I don't think it looks bad. What do y'all think? This is the one I messed up last night. Now this one is more trashier because I used an X-Acto knife trying to cut it open. But that one looks almost seamless compared to this one. What I messed up there. So yeah, these are my grinders. So make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think I should have did different. How you think they came out. Just, hey, I tried, and that's all I could do. So make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. Because I just be trying. That's all I be doing. I don't try to be perfect over here. And I know a lot of y'all be like, well, why this and then the third? Hey, I just be trying. My channel is made to try. That's what I do. I just try and I bring y'all ideas. So, I think this is a pretty cool idea I'm going to roll with. I will master it. So, I just got to work out some kinks. Flow. It's the line. Other than that, you can twist and you know, put it back in place. So yeah, y'all have a blessed one.